This ReeceNichols Blue Springs property video is presented by lisalewis. Gorgeous 2-story west / all your updates. Very open living room / kitchen combo west / tons of natural light. Looking for a formal dining room? Here it is. Very welcoming entrance and walk right up to the second floor. 4-bedroom, laundry room for easy living. Large master suite west / jetted tub and large master closet. Finished walkout bsmt west / kitchen area, half bath and separate area for a home gym / office, or could be a 5th bedroom. Huge backyard just waiting for the new home owners to make it their own. Oh, and let's not forget the 3-car garage. For more information, review the details below or contact Lisalewis at 816-305-1245.